Hi and welcome to Session 5. Through these sessions, you're developing the capacity to observe thoughts as well as experience feelings, without trying to change anything. But as you may have experienced, it isn't easy to observe our thoughts, because thoughts are compelling and they pull us with them, and before we know it, we have lost our peace of mind. However, with continued practice, you will find it easier to be the calm observer, and pretty soon you'll be aware of the contents of your mind, but you won't be dragged by them. It'll be like sitting on the banks of a river and watching the water flow by. And this capacity alone will transform your life. Instead of reacting to situations, you will notice and then respond in the best way possible. For example, if someone says something negative to you, you won't immediately have an emotional reaction. Instead, you'll notice what they have said, you'll notice your thoughts, and you'll experience your feelings. And then the calm, clear, observing mind will be able to let go of negativity and respond with wisdom and clarity. In this way, you become in charge of your emotional state, and nobody and nothing will be able to take away your peace of mind. Now, in today's session, I'm going to teach you a technique made popular by the writer Eckhart Tolle to watch thoughts with the calm alertness of a cat waiting for a mouse. If that sounds strange, don't worry. I'll guide you every step of the way. So let's begin by taking a few deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. And allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms. Gently close your eyes and experience the contact between body and chair. Notice and experience the full weight of the body, letting it sink deeper into the chair. And mentally scanning your body from head to toe, experiencing sensations from your whole body. Experience your feelings now, allowing whatever emotions there are to emerge and to be experienced. You're not analyzing anything. You don't even have to identify the emotions. Just experience them. Moving your attention now to the breath, letting the body breathe naturally and experience the rising and falling of the abdomen. Moving your attention now to your thoughts. Watch and notice what thoughts arise. Now be alert and wait for the thoughts, like a cat watching a mouse hole. What thought is going to come out of the mouse hole? Stay present and notice. If you feel yourself becoming tight or tense, just let go a bit. Make sure you're breathing easily, and then return your attention back to the thoughts, waiting for the thoughts, like a cat waiting for a mouse. Now, as you notice the thoughts, label them as negative, positive, or neutral, but maintaining a gentle, constant awareness, no matter what the thoughts are. and moving your attention back to the breath. Noticing once again the contact between body and chair. Notice any light shining through the eyelids. And slowly and gently open your eyes. So how was this technique for you? Were you able to maintain attention and focus without getting swept away by the thoughts? And were you able to identify whether the thoughts felt negative, positive, or neutral? So try this during the day. Every now and then, bring your attention to your thoughts and notice what is going on. Notice the patterns of your thinking. Keep practicing this and you'll soon take charge of the mind and consequently of your life, so you can beat stress and feel relaxed, centered, and peaceful. So keep up with these sessions. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 6.